Il-poplu Franċiż qed jiffaċja din l-aħħar traġedja b'sens ta' għaqda u Qlubija. Tkellem dwar dan ix-xorta tal-Ambaxxata Franċiża f'Malta Frederic Depetris. Ma' news fisser kif wara dan l-attakk l-ideal tal-liberta tal-Kelma xorta waħda se jibqa'.
So would Charlie Hebdo survive after what happened?
Yes. And they announced that they will publish next week a new issue, which will be 1 million copies of it, to show that that should be a continuity of this newspaper.
Depetris ma eskludix li jkunu pubblikati karikaturi simili bħal dawk li r-rivista pubblikat fl-aħħar xhur.
I think so because they are not intended to make trouble or to frighten Muslim or other religions, because it's not only the Muslim religion which was in the cartoon, it's all kind of authorities.
Dwar is-sitwazzjoni f'Pariġi u fi Franza xax deffer għalli hemm livelli għolja ta' sigurtà, speċjalment fl-ajruporti, stazzjonijiet tal-metro u postijiet fejn ikun hemm ħafna nies. Tkellem ukoll dwar kif spikkat l-għaqda fost il-poplu Franċiż.
The French authorities and the French people, generally speaking, will stand to fight for freedom of speech.
Franza hija grata ħafna wkoll lejn is-solidarjetà internazzjonali li rċiviet mill-mument tal-attakk. Fosthom minn Malta.
And I would like to thank the government of Malta when the Prime Minister says we are all French today. It's something very strong and really appreciated by